can now move on to the another program for design and implement of adder, full adder, of subtractor, full subtractor using basic gates. There are two parts. You can also execute the program by using hardware, that is trainer kit. I already uploaded video on the trainer kit and my Google site. If you can visit that Google site, and the same program can also done by using VHDL code also. Let me start what is by half adder. What is an half adder? The half adder is a combinational circuit used to perform addition of two bits in the form of sum and carry. In the form of sum and carry. You get two output. One is sum, the second one is carry. Then how to write truth table? See, write the first one as the input as A and B, the output are sum and carry. Then if it is 2 bits, I have 4 possible combination, that is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. For these, then what is the sum and carry? If 0, 0, the sum is 0, carry is 0. 0, 1, sum is 1, carry is 0. 1, 0, sum is 1, carry is 0. If it is 1, 1, apply a binary addition between 1 and 1, that the first bit LSB bit will be taken as a sum, then second one will carry, the second bit will be taken as a carry. According to that, I am writing sum is 0, the carry is 1. For the once the truth table is written, then you have to move on to for the equation. How to write the equation? Because it's a 2-bit representation, then you can simplify by using K-map or simplify by using Boolean expression. First write the expression. The expression sum is equal to, take this value A bar B and this value is AB bar. Now the carry part, I have only one, I have a minterm, that corresponding value is AB. This is my equation. This equation can be realized by using logic circuit. If you want to do trainer kit, you should be write this logic circuit. The logic circuit says, then I have an input port A, the input port B, that have a NOT gate for the A bar and B bar also. Then if you want to realize how many AND gates are there, 1, 2, 3, A bar B, AB bar, AB. I required 3 AND gates, then I required 1 OR gate. Then if you want to require complement A to A bar, B to B bar, I required NOT gate also. Because of that, you can take NOT gate IC 7404. Then AND gate IC 7408. OR gate IC 7432. Using this is the circuit diagram that shows for sum A bar B, AB bar, add those things by using an OR gate, I got sum. The carry have only one fundamental term, that is A and B for this. Okay, this can be realized by using a trainer kit. You can visit the Google site how to do the pin configuration for realizing for half adder. Okay, now the same program, how can we write? By using a xilinux. For do the xilinux, you have to write the code, that is for the VHDL code. Then how to write the VHDL code for this? See, the equation you have to take sum and carry. For this sum and carry, you have to write the equation. What it says, you have to write the VHDL code. The VHDL code has a built-in library function for the IEEE standard logic and for the arithmetic logic function and data type for the unsigned. Then I have to write the program name. The program name is taken as an off. Then off is my program name. You can give anything for that program name. I have to define my port names. Then how to define my port names? A is my input port, B is my output port, and I have a 2 output port is sum and carry. This is sum will be act as an output, carry is also act as an output. See, between that I have to take 2 intermediate in and out function. This why I am required is, see, I have taken A bar B is a one function, I have realizing is y1. Then second one is AB bar, I am realizing separately, that will be stored in as y2. Because of that, I am taking y1 and y2 will be act as an in-out function. I have to realize for that. Okay, these are the port explanation. Once the port is over, then I have to write a code between the architectural behavioral model for that. Then I have to write the code between begin and end. First, I have to realize what is A bar B. How to write A bar B? A bar. This Y1 is an output. Y1 is less than or equal to, if you record A bar, you write equation is not A and B. And is a function between the concatenation A bar B. Next, I have to do A B bar. Then you take Y2. Y2 is less than or equal to A and not of B. Because bar, no, B bar is not of B. Now I have to go to sum. The sum is A bar B plus AB bar, then Y1 or Y2. Next is carry. The carry is S ln or equal to A and B. This is the equation you have to remember for writing the program. This is for the understanding purpose and this is for the write-up purpose. You should be know it. Okay, now end of my end behavior. This code I have to write down in the VHDL part of the software. It is xilinux. Let me try for the xilinux program. Okay, I'll open the xilinux software. If the xilinux, if you open it, then go to file. Okay, go to file, close the project, file, new project have to select, then give any name. Just I am giving sample. AD is my project name. You can select your project location, give wherever you want, sample ADE, or you can create make new folder, press OK, then you press next, select the new source. You have to select VHDL model, give the file name. I am giving the file name as of adder. Okay, press next. Then I had to give the port name. You told A is my input port, select. B is also my input port, you select in. Then Y1 is I am taking in out function because A bar B. Y2 is taking in and out. Then you take sum for an output function and carry for an output function. Carefully write down port name and direction. If you give it in capital letter, write the code in capital letters only. If you write in small letter, then the variable declarations be case sensitive. Be aware of what type of value will be given in the port name. Okay, then give as a next, then give finish. Yes, you have to give, then give next button, finish the button. Okay, then automatically this file will be getting, see the file name of adder.vhd. This is a VHDL code. Now this is the entity of adder. What are I'm giving the port value. A B will be act as an input, Y1 and Y2 is an act as an in and out, sum and carry will be act as an output. Now I have to write a code between begin and end. Then how to start? I have to write a code between this. Y1 is less than or equal to, what how to write? Not is a function, not of A, then and B. I am computing what? A bar B. Next, Y2 is less than or equal to A and we should be right not of B because A B bar semicolon. Next you should be right sum. Sum is less than or equal to Y1 plus, not plus, it should be OR function because I am adding both Y1 or Y2 semicolon, carry less than or equal to A and B semicolon. Okay, now I include all the 4 lines Y1, Y2, sum and carry. Once the program is write up, then you should be save the file. The program saving is over. Then go to implementation design. Double click on this. You will have to run the compile the program. If it is any error, debug here. Then if it is no error, it successfully the file report will be generated. Then you will get a message like completed successfully. Okay. Then you move on to the source window, change for the behavioral simulation. After that, come to the process window, change to model sim. This will get a simulate behavior model. Double click on that. You will get in the three windows. Then you have to select the black screen window with the red line. Then you have to maximize the window. Once it is maximized, you have to restart the window by clicking up arrow, restart. Then I have to force the value for input AB. You can check the truth table for the sum and carry. Now I am forcing the source value, force is 0. Next I am passing B value is also what, 0. Okay. Now you have to run the file. If A is also 0, B is also 0, you will get sum and carry. You should be only concentrate sum and carry. You don't bother about what is y1 and y2. Okay, now I am changing B value should be what? 1. Okay. Then again run. A value 0, B value 0. You can observe the sum value should be 1 and carry value should be 0. Okay. Now I move on to A value should be 1. B value should be 0. What indicates the truth table by adding up 2 bits, you got this number. See, sum is also 1, the carry is 0. If you change B value is also 1, if you do the binary addition between 1 and 1, if you add 1 and 1 for that value, you will get 1 0 representation. That 1 0 is the leftmost LSB 0 is the sum, the rightmost MSB bit is carry. Because of that, sum is 0, the carry is 1. Okay, this waveform shows for your off order realization in VHDL code by using Xilinux software. Okay, thank you.